Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and in this video I'm going to cover system configuration, specifically looking at security settings. So as you are aware, when you log into PPO, you have a unique URL, same with your username and password. But as a PPO administrator, you can apply additional security settings when it comes to users deciding on their passwords. So if I just hover over administration, where we can apply these settings is under system configuration. And on the system configuration page, second section from the bottom is our security settings. So this basically covers security when logging into PPO. So you can specify that the users must have a minimum password length. So currently it's stipulated as 8. So if I try and add a password with 7 characters, PPO isn't going to accept that based on your settings applied here. Must include numeric characters. So if this is flagged, you have to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Must include alphabet characters. If that's selected, it must have alphabet characters, your ABCs. And then must include special characters. If that is selected, you will need to add any special characters like a hashtag, an @ sign, a question mark, percentage sign, and things like that. Then we get to maximum number of logon attempts. If, as an example, we set this to 3, if you try to log into PPO more than 3 times and get your password wrong, PPO is going to lock your account and you're going to have to do a reset of password. If it is kept at 0, there is no maximum number of incorrect logon attempts. Then password expiry days. If I set this to 30 as an example, PPO will prompt me to reset my password every 30 days. Then minimum number of days between password changes. So an example is if I set this to 3 days, if I do a password reset today, I can only do another password reset in 3 days from now. Then when we look at password history, depending on what we add as the number here, if it is 0, there is no limitation, but I'm going to use the example of 3 again. If I specify 3 for password history, it means that my password must be unique for 3 resets before I can use the same password again. So this is just additional security that you can put in place if needed. Thank you for watching.